It's Brent with Lahan Home Team and eXp Realty.
And I'm Jennifer, and today we are going to take you to some of Orlando's best coffee shops.
That's right, some small businesses, some not so small businesses, organic coffee and vegan.
So join us on this tour.
All right.
First up is Coffee Factory Cafe. Coffee Factory Cafe is known for its specialty lattes, custom drinks, smoothies, and delicious food. They are locally owned in East Orlando, Waterford Lakes area, and they also have a location in Winter Springs. They have an extensive menu to choose from, especially when it comes to the coffee drinks. They have amazing wraps for lunch, and you can also have breakfast. So I'm here at the Coffee Factory with my teenage daughter, and let's see what she got. All right, Michaela, tell everybody what you got here.
I got Bella's Peppermint Bar, which includes peppermint, milk chocolate, and white chocolate, and it's literally the best here.
Next is the Drunken Monkey Coffee Bar. Hey guys, so we're here at the Drunken Monkey Coffee Bar.
We're right here in Colonial Town, which is about 5 minutes from downtown Orlando. It's kind of like a college town coffee bar.
Yeah, it's got some really cool organic free trade coffee. So come on out, help this small business do well here in Orlando.
And they also have gluten-free and vegan items.
Enjoy. The Drunken Monkey Coffee Bar offers a variety of coffee drinks, teas, kombucha, and food items that includes gluten-free and vegan.
All right, Brent, and what did you get from the Drunken Monkey Coffee Bar?
I got a mushroom soup with asparagus. I know it sounds gross, but it is amazing.
Awesome. Last but not least, Foxtail Coffee Company. Foxtail Coffee Company is located in the heart of Winter Park, right off North Orange Avenue. This company sources some of the finest coffees in the world, and they are environmentally friendly, and they make sure that the farmers are paid fair wages. Definitely come check out this place. They have awesome coffees. Okay, Brent, so what did you order from Foxtail Coffee Company?
Well, I ordered their classic latte, hot with whole milk.
And how was it?
Amazing.
Awesome. If you would like more information on local coffee shops in Orlando, download our Orlando Relocation Guide. And if you like watching our videos, like and subscribe to our channel.